All right, here she is, first thing in the morning. I keep my baby looking fresh. Look at that mirror polish going on there. Although my tires, I haven't done my wheels in a while. I gotta be careful here. I'm not trying to show my plate, but yeah. I need to vacuum the old girl out. I did have the interior ceramic too. One of my only complaints about the black, if you've never had a black car, it shows everything. You gotta press this down and then push up. For those of you stuck with automatic, you know. But yeah, black shows everything, every little speck. Here, I'm gonna show this real quick. So the rear view back up, which is nice. But now we're in first. Give it a second here. So it's a very quiet Mustang. Yeah, there, that part looks clean. Look at that. But yeah, I had the outside buffed. Just trying not to show like my house and everything here. Back seat. Headliner. Anyways, yeah, you can get the inside of your car ceramic as well. Not a lot of people know that, but I did. The interior's practically like brand new, and yeah, it makes it way easier to clean. Oh dang, my car was out of focus. Let's see if I can get this to turn. Oh. There we go. We're going. I still got the original. I'll do a better video, but yeah, just trying to show. I need to dust in here apparently. It sure comes up on the camera that I don't see with the naked eye. But yeah, I had them, guys. Sorry, I just woke up. I'm normally way more. Anyone that's seen my other channel and my other videos, I'm way more sociable than this. But you could check out the mirror. Like, look at that. That is the side of my car, y'all. This is a black car. And this is a used 2013. Like, I am the third owner. But I took it in and had them ceramic coat this and buff this puppy out. And I barely wash it. Like, that's another trick. With the black cars and ceramic coat is that you like barely, ooh, damn, mama be looking rough today. But yeah, touchless. You can use this spray, this touch-up spray, and you use some super soft chamois. But if you take good care of your paint, you know, it really comes out. And this isn't washed either. There's a little layer of dust on here. I live out in the country, as you can see. But yeah, they got my car looking good. And I can highly recommend if you take it to a good ceramic coating place, if they put in the time. I mean, anyone can ceramic coat. It's the buffing and the paint prep that they do. But they really made, I thought it looked good when I took them than my car. And I mean, this is what I got back. I don't know if I appreciate this enough. That's why I'm standing here showing you. This isn't my field. This is not a mirror. This is the side of my black Mustang. Check that out. I think I'll end it there.